Alright, what's up, guys? We are taking apart the 17 horsepower out of the Murray. We already got her most of the way torn down.
Where's that drop?
Getting ready to pull the head off. We're going to pull the spark plug out real quick and then the bolt. There you go. See how bad do you think it's going to be?
I don't know. She's got low compression, so obviously she was running pretty dirty.
She's definitely running dirty.
Oh, shit.
He
We definitely... That's
definitely needs a spark plug.
It's no bueno. What the fuck?
Dude, look it in there. Dude, look
We
in
might have
there.
taken that out before, but that is
Holy
definitely
cow.
black. Look at the spark plug, guys. That is definitely black and gunked up. That is not what your spark plug is supposed to look like whatsoever.
Ain't no way.
That's no bueno right there. All the gump freaking sitting on this engine. Clean your engine, guys. Like, take care of it.
Like, this is terrible. I guess this is pretty good for a lawnmower engine, though.
I mean, this is like a fairly new engine. I mean, like really new engine. The bolts,
I'd say within 5 years
the
old.
bolts are way too easy to take out.
Yeah. When I pulled apart that Vanguard of Connor's, dude, them bolts were a pain. Last one. Let's see what it looks like in there. So another problem with this is it's overhead valve. So it's kind of easier, kind of not. So, oh well. Just get it by hand. Oh, bitch.
It's too crusty.
Too crusty. Everything's a little too crusty sometimes.
Shake, shake, shake.
You want to pull the head off, or do you want me to? Alright. Watch for anything that springs out. I doubt anything is, but something could. You never know.
We'll see.
Alright, she's out. Oh. There she is. Oh, don't drop them down in there. God dang, them are some beefy push rods. Look, these are like, what is in a V8?
Guys, look at the head on this thing.
Ooh.
Oh my, I've never seen. That is horrible. That is horrible. That is caked on there.
I'm gonna have to clean that. Soak the piston.
Somebody ran this engine really fucking bad.
Well, the kid said he had like some kind of fucking ATF mix.
Oh.
So that's what it is. It's all that ATF shit and oil mix. Shitty gas. I bet you that's why it's smoking.
This engine's definitely dirty.
Well, let's turn it over real quick and see what the cylinder walls look like. Can you get it on your side? I might be able to get it. Hold on, she's moving. Honestly, they look pretty good.
Yeah, there's
They still have cross hatching.
Holy snap, they do.
Look at that, guys.
Yeah,
It still has
that's how
cross
new this
hatching.
engine is. Like, that's how badly they took care of it, yet it's still this.
Well, at least it had kept oil in it.
Yeah,
I don't think it needs rebuilt. Dude, I really do not think it needs rebuilt.
just new head gaskets.
You know what? I'm going to go ahead because supposedly he says it cheeches. It cheeches like a motherfucker.
Yeah, look how fucking. Oh, yeah.
Look at this chip in the piston. Hold on. Look at that chip.
Yeah, that's no bueno.
No bueno. No bueno. Fuck. Well, at least the cylinder walls don't need honed.
Yeah, I mean, it can't be too bad in there.
Oh, no. Not at all. Alright, well, you want to go ahead and pull this side cover? And we'll get down to her.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the side cover off. We got the cam out and the lifters. Now we're just on to trying to get this damn rod out and the rod bearing. A lot of goodies here. This thing is honestly heavy built. Oh, what the hell. Oh, dude, you're probably rounding off. I'd be careful. Like you can feel it move. Okay, let's try tightening up the other side. You hear me?
Yeah,
Tighten up the other side.
that other one.
What other one?
The other fucking bolt for
It's still in it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. This dang thing's just all cranky. Let's tighten it back up. Not all the way, you know, but that's good.
No, fucking bueno.
Try the ratchet.